Good morning. I have pieced another table runner together. I made this one on the Zig-Zag. I'm fixing to sew this together now. So this one's made a little bit different than the rest of them. Okay, I'll bring you back when I get ready to sew it. All right. Let me make sure that's on. Yep, it's on. All right, I'm ready to sew it now. I'm reinforcing the corners when I backstitch. All right, I'll bring you back when I get through getting it all sewed all the way around. All right, I'm gonna trim. I've got through sewing it around. I'm gonna trim it. Now I'm gonna cut down here close to the point so the trim that. And I'm going to trim it right here. Alright, when I get through trimming it, I'll bring it back. Alright, I've got it turned inside out, and I've got it straightened out, and I'm going to sew around the edge here. And take the pins out as I go. Alright, I'll bring you back when I get through. Alright, I'm quilting this on the top this morning. I'm stitching in the ditch. And I'll be through with this one. Don't like much. I have got this finished, and I stitched in the ditch here. on each stem. And this is a table runner. I'm going to call this a zigzag table runner. It's got strawberries and watermelon and pineapple and oranges and lemons. Let me turn this over so y'all can see the back of it. And the backing is, I had a piece of muslin, and the backing is a piece of muslin. All right, if you like my videos, just like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell when you want to be notified when I got another video coming out. Thank y'all so much for watching. Have a good day.